Sir, statement of the basic proportionality theorem. What is that statement? Statement is, if we draw a line, if we draw a line parallel to any one side, any side of a triangle, parallel to any side of a triangle, okay, triangle. Then what? If we draw a line parallel to any side of a triangle, that line divides, okay, divides. Which one? That line. It divides other two sides. Sides. How it divides? Proportionally. Not equally. Proportionally. Okay. Yes, children. I will tell. Listen. Sir, basic proportionality theorem states that if we draw a line, kanmunde barbeku. Okay, you draw a line parallel to any side of a triangle. How many sides are there?
3 sides.
Sir, out of 3, you draw parallel line to any one side. That line divides the other 2 sides proportionally. This is the thing what we are going to prove. Sir, by understanding the statement, anyone can write what they have given. That is called a data. What is that?
Data.
Data means what? Sir, data means what they have given. Sir, you read and convert it into the figure. Okay. Sir, we draw a line parallel to any side of a triangle. Let us take one triangle. Let us take one triangle. Sir, this is the triangle. A, B, C. Children, you write here. A, B, C is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. What they told? Draw one line parallel to
Any side.
so any one side. You can draw for AB, no problem. You can
BC.
draw for AC. Okay. Sir, but so easy to see. I will draw for BC one line parallel to BC. Let us call this line DE. Sir, in the statement they have given, I have drawn DE line. How I have drawn? Sir, parallel to which side? BC. For BC. Understood, pa? Sir, what they have given, I understood and convert into the figure. So, okay, sir, this is the thing what they have given. Sir, by using that, what we have to prove? To be proved. Okay, again you continue. If you draw a line parallel to any side of a triangle, this much I have taken. Sir, then what happened? This line divides the other 2 sides. What are the other 2 sides?
AB
and AC. Sir, AB and AC proportionally. How the? Okay, what is the proportion?
AD.
The parts, AD part. When it divides, I got 2 parts, AD and DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. This is what we are going to prove. Sir, to prove this, do you require any construction, sir? Construction. Okay, construction means what we require, that one we can construct in this part. You mention that and take it. Sir, I am going to prove that line divides other 2 sides proportionally by using the formula of area of triangle. What is the area of triangle?
Half into base into height.
Children, here many sides are there, many lines are there. No one line is perpendicular. Is there any 90 degree? No. So that what you do, children, you just draw first construction perpendicular line. Perpendicular
Line.
Sir, E, L, let it be L or F as you wish. you go for that. Sir, draw a line EL perpendicular to AB. AB. So perpendicular to EL means no doubt AL part also perpendicular. Sir, DL part also perpendicular. AB also perpendicular. DB also
Perpendicular.
like that. Sorry, I am perpendicular to this floor means not only for this place, for the complete
Flat
earth, or otherwise for the complete this room, I am perpendicular. Understood, children? Like that. Sir, then I need to compare it with the another new triangle, so that I will take one more. In the first case, I will take this much. Okay, what I am doing, children? In construction part, sir, draw. See, EL. How you are drawing, children?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular to what?
AB.
Perpendicular to
AB.
Perpendicular to
AB.
Here you just understand, sir, EL is perpendicular to AB means for each particle, for each part, for each point, it is perpendicular. For every point on the AB, perpendicular to EL. Understood, children? Yes. And join BE. And join BE. Sir, next case I require same thing in opposite side. Let us do after this. Okay. Sir, now you go for proof part. Children, you are observing. Sir, by understanding the statement only, one child can develop data part, to be proved part, and construction part. No need to buy. No need to practice 10 times. Okay. Sir, proof part. How will you prove? Sir, I will take the ratio between area of sir, triangles. What triangles we are taking? Let us take ADE one triangle. Sir, first you take numerator triangle ADE. Then you compare it with the new triangle BDE. This is the new triangle. You compare with area of triangle BDE. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now you write the formula for this. Sir, formula for area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay. Sir, now half into base into height. See, two triangles are there. Children, now you substitute for half into. What is the base? Sir, here in the triangle ADE, usually DE is the base. But here you take, sir, EL is standing on AD. EL is standing on perpendicular line, standing on the sir AD side. So that it's good to take AD as a base. AD as a base. What is the base? AD. Okay. What is the height? EL is the height because it makes 90 degree. Sir, that is EL. Okay, children. Again, half into. Sir, come to the area of triangle BDE. Sir, you concentrate on the triangle BDE. Sir, which is the base here?
D.
Sir, again here you must think. Sir, for this side also, for this triangle also, perpendicular to get, sir, no line is perpendicular, so that I need to develop, I need to produce the side DB. Sir, BD, you produce till it meets EL. Then the height will obtain. So that I will take DB as a base. DB as a base. Children, don't get confusion. Illi, in the triangle BDE, no line is perpendicular. Sir, why you are taking EL is the so height? Because, sir, for this triangle, perpendicular line is EL only. That is out of the triangle. It may be confused to you. So that you think, sir, if we develop or produce the side of BD till the L, I will get perpendicular line. So that here also EL is the
Height.
height. Sir, now you cancel the similar things. 1 by 2 numerator and denominator. Sir, EL numerator and denominator cancel. Sir, here AD by DB. Sir, this is one part. You call it as equation
One.
Any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Sir, for a meanwhile, what you do? Sir, same thing what we have done, you do it in other side. Okay, let us do it later. Okay, again. Yes, sir. Sir, again, to compare the same thing, to say these two are equal, I must compare with another one, no? Then only I can say left hand side and right hand side are equal. The things are equal. Equal things are equal to the same things. Okay, so that what I will do, I will take another two triangles. What triangle? Same ADE. Listen, pa. Sir, now you take second case, area of triangle. Same triangle ADE. Okay, numerator you take ADE. Sir, divided by. Sir, here one new triangle I require. So that you join CD. Sir, if I join CD, I will get one new triangle CD. You take the area of. What is the new triangle?
BC.
Area of triangle CDE. CDE. Correct? CDE. What is the formula for area of triangle? The formula is half into base into height. Again, for numerator, denominator also same. Sir, for denominator also half into
Base into height.
Now you think, what is the base and height of the triangle ADE? Sir, we don't have. Just to see. Sir, here no line is perpendicular. So that what you must do? You must construct. Sir, let us draw a line. How we should draw? Perpendicular to the line AC. Sir, again you draw here. Sir, draw a line. What line it is? Let us call it as some M. Sir, DM is perpendicular to AC. Draw a line.
DM is
perpendicular to
AC.
Sir, here only you understand. DM is perpendicular to AC means for every part it is perpendicular. For AM, perpendicular. For EM, perpendicular. For AE, perpendicular. For ECE also,
Perpendicular.
that one we will use there. So that, sir, for the triangle ADE, I am taking AE side as a base. Okay, half into base is AE. Okay, AE into. What is the height, pa? Height is? Okay. Height is DM. Height is? DM. Okay, na? Again, sir, half into. Sir, I am going to area of the triangle CDE. Where is that CDE? CDE. For this triangle also, base is what? CC. Sir, EC or CE. How the? E.
C.
Sir, what is the height?
DM.
So that you so to get the height, I should produce, sir. Sir, then DM perpendicular to CE also. So that here also DM is height of this triangle. Okay, understood, children? Sir, here half of cancel, DM cancel. Sir, now AE by CE are easy. You call it as equation.
Equation 2.
Children, after, okay, sir, proving this much, you see the left hand sides. Okay, so what is there in left hand side? In both the equation 1 and 2, numerator part is same. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle AD. Sir, you just think about area of the triangle BDE and CDE. BDE and CDE. Sir, BDE. This is BDE. Okay. Okay, another one triangle is sir, CDE. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Sir, these two triangles in our previous classes already we learnt if the triangles stand on the same base, and lies between the same parallels. Sir, the areas of that triangles will be
Equal.
Once again, you understand, children? If the triangles standing on the same base and lies between the
Same
same
parallel.
parallel, these areas will be
Equal.
Correct, sir, it is one of the theorem. So once again, last year it was. Okay, sir, we know, sir, you must say BDE triangle and CDE triangle both are having the common base
Parallel.
DE. Common base DE. They are standing on DE. And also lies between the parallels. Who told they are parallel? In the theorem only. So statement only they have given. D and BC are parallel. So that by using that theorem, I can say BDE equal to CDE. So then one of the axiom we know. Equals are divided by the equals, reminders will be
Equal.
Equals are divided by equals, the reminders will be
Equal.
So therefore I can say left hand sides of both equation 1 and 2 are
Same.
Sir,
That is subtracted, no sir. If equals.
sir, equals are divided by sir what equals. So here for example 4 by 2. Sir, there also 4 is there. Sir, that is 2. Sir, what happened? Reminders will be equal. Understood? Don't get confusion. So that, sir, I can say, sir, A. What is this? D. AD by
DB.
AD by
DB
is equal to AD by BC. Sir, this is what we have to. Sir, why we took right hand sides are equal? Because left hand sides are equal. How the left hand sides are equal? Once again, you write the reason. Sir, if we divide the equals by another equal, how they are equal? If anybody require one more time, how the area of BDE and CDE are equal? Sir, both triangles are standing on the same base. Standing on the same base. And lies between the same
Parallel.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes, sir.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes, sir.